Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encounter error code 0x8007025d, then watch this video for the solutions. The first solution is to disconnect the peripheral devices, that is your printers, your scanners, your hard disk, your mouse or keyboard or anything that is plugged into your computer. The reason for this is these devices introduce drivers of their own into the system, push drivers of their own into the system, which can cause conflicts with the other drivers and can cause such errors to occur. Now, once you disconnect the peripheral devices and restart the computer, this error should not occur again. If this error occurs again, then we can run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. So we right click on the start button, go to settings, go to system, look for troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, and we can run the Windows Update Troubleshooter by clicking on this button corresponding to Windows Update. Then we can also restart the Windows Update service. So we'll go to services, click on it, look for the Windows Update service. There it is. Right click on it and we'll click on start, or if it is started, we'll click on restart. And the final option is to do a memory diagnostic test. For that, we need to press the Windows and the R key and type in MDSCHED and press enter. And then we click on restart now and check for problems. And this will shut down the system and will run a memory diagnostic check, fix any errors if found, and restart the system. And this error code should no longer appear. If this video solved your problem, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.